I would have become profitable so much faster if I would have just stuck to my trading plan. If I would have just stopped taking trades I wasn't supposed to. If I would have just stopped over risking on every trade. And if I would have just stuck to taking a quality trade a couple of times a week. But for some reason, even though I knew sticking to my trading plan was the correct thing to do, I still found myself breaking my trading plan and knowingly making the wrong choice back to back to back. And this happens to so many traders. Most likely, you're in a position where if you're not profitable in trading, you know what the right thing to do is. So you know what the right choice is, but for some reason, we traders and us as humans, we just make the wrong choice knowingly. It's the same as if you're trying to lose weight and you're going to eat a donut, right? You know you shouldn't eat a donut, but yet you still knowingly make the wrong decision. So why is that? And how can we fix this so we can start achieving success? So if I would have just done the right things in trading, if I would have just stuck to my trading plan, I probably would have become profitable in 6 months or less. It's that simple, because once you stop making the wrong choices, success comes easy. The second I started to just make the right choices instead of making the wrong choices, I started to see success very fast. And I think for most of you traders, you just need to start doing the things that you already know you should be doing. It's not like achieving profitability is this secret. It's not anything in technical analysis that you don't know yet. It's no piece of fundamental information that you need to know. There's nothing in specific that you don't know yet that's holding you back from profitability. It just isn't a secret. There is no holy grail. It's just you and yourself. That's why we have to remove the part of ourselves that self-sabotages, right? So there's a part of us that's holding us back from achieving the success we want to do. And there's a part of ourselves that's holding us back from becoming the version of ourselves that we want to do. That's why it can't just be summed up into mindset. It can't just be considered trading psychology. It goes way deeper than that. It's more than just psychology. It's a mastery of yourself. It's getting rid of that part that sabotages you and your success. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know sometimes when you should make a decision, but yet you still do the opposite. You knowingly choose the choice that holds you back from success instead of taking you straight to success. So until you learn to master yourself and removing that part or subduing that part of yourself that's holding you back, you won't be able to achieve success. You just won't. It'll be impossible because you'll have something holding you back. And everyone has this. The difference is the most successful people in the world know how to minimize that side of themselves. So they only optimize and they only make all the right decisions. That's how you do it. So for example, you wake up in bed when your alarm goes off at 5 in the morning. You know there's a voice in your head that says, go back to sleep. But there's another voice in your head that says, wake up and get straight to work and let's conquer the day. So that's the voice that you need to strengthen and you need to give power to. The more power you give to this voice, the more you can defeat the negative voice that holds you back and that sabotages yourself and your success. The same thing works in life, but in trading in specific, which is why in trading, I think it's more about yourself than the actual strategy or technical analysis that you're using. Forget about all of that. Focus on mastering yourself and all the results you've ever wanted are going to come. Because once you start making the right decisions and you eliminate all the wrong decisions, success comes easy. So that's why personal growth and personal development is the most impactful thing that you can work on your journey to becoming a profitable trader. In the first 2 years of my trading career, hundreds of traders and hundreds of profitable traders told me to just stop over trading and to just stick to my plan. And yet I didn't do it. So what good is the best advice in the world if you don't listen to the advice? Follow the advice that people are giving you. Make the right choices. Stop sabotaging your success. It's that simple. You already know enough to become profitable. Just like I knew enough within the first couple of months. I just didn't do the right things. I just kept making the wrong choices, even though I knew I was making the wrong choices. So just flip the switch, start making the right choices, start doing what you know you're supposed to do, and you can finally start achieving your goals. It's that simple. I needed someone to tell me this back when I was struggling, back in my first 2 years, where I kept going in this negative cycle of just making the wrong decisions over and over and over again. So this is me telling you, stop doing things that you know you shouldn't be doing, follow your trading plan, and just make the right choices. You'll get there faster than you can even imagine once you start doing the right things. So I hope you take my advice and you achieve all of your goals.